how I would invest $1,000 in cryptocurrency in 2021. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocker from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be making a video that I made about a year ago when Bitcoin was only at $6,000. I talked about buying Bitcoin, how I would split. So I'd talk about the percentages I'd put into different currencies, Bitcoin, other altcoins. Also, guys, I'll share with you why I like Bitcoin so much. So make sure you watch that video till the end, guys. I'll be sharing with you our trading strategies as well. So exactly, I'll share with you one of my biggest trades this year. End of last year, when Bitcoin was breaking out of 20k. You can see it was just before when Bitcoin was breaking out on it for 20k. So I shared that with you in the Rockstar Trading group. If you are part of it, I'll talk about trading and investing strategies. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Imagine if you watch that video and you look to book some Bitcoin at $6,000. Bitcoin is up more than 600% now, and guys, it's one of the first time since 2017 Bitcoin is moving like this. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Before I start looking at all the price and why I like Bitcoin, let me share with you some of the reasons, my reasons for liking Bitcoin long time frame. So Bitcoin, as you guys know, is decentralized, is blockchain. What is Bitcoin is doing? Watch my previous videos on what Bitcoin is. But I fundamentally really like what Bitcoin is trying to do, taking the power away from banks and governments. Bitcoin cannot be just printed. You can't just make more Bitcoin. If you look at how much dollar is being printed, and one of the more important videos that I made earlier this year, I would say, is my video on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin was around that $10,000, and I made a video about just buy $1 worth of Bitcoin. And again, this was 4 weeks ago. On the YouTube channel, I share exactly where I'm looking to buy, which coins I'm looking to buy. You can watch all my videos, some of them before it breaks out, a lot of them before they break out. I share with you where to buy. In our trade group, I share exactly what levels I'm buying, stop loss, entries, and again, I'll talk about that at the end of the video. But in this video, I just said just put $100 in, put $1 in, because you want some exposure to Bitcoin. Again, we don't know how high Bitcoin will go, but I really like Bitcoin, and I think Bitcoin will do really well. So another thing could be hedge. So if there's financial crisis, or if the dollar or pound or whatever currency, wherever you're in, if there's a market crash, or if there's a fall of dollar, people might be moving into Bitcoin. If you look at history, there's lots of currencies that failed. If you study the German currency that crashed in the world wars, there's always, and you can study the Zimbabwean dollar currency crash. So there's always this fear, if the banks and the governments are controlling and printing the money like they are, could there be an issue? So again, I'm not saying it will happen in 5 years, 10 years, but it could happen in the future. And one of the biggest and other reasons why I like Bitcoin so much is the inflation. We've seen how the price, I might go into this video a bit and share with you some of the charts I shared in this video, where I talked about Bitcoin, the value of dollar going down. Again, I recommend you watch this video. I'll make loads of videos. Some of my videos get lots of views. This video didn't get as many views, but I'd probably say it's one of my most important videos. You can see Bitcoin was just breaking out then, and it could have been one of the best investments you made. Bitcoin almost 2x since then. I touched fundamentally the reasons, and one of the last reasons I talk about is if there's a short squeeze. So if the people are buying Bitcoin and taking out of exchanges, the supply of Bitcoin on exchanges could be low, and that could really catapult the price higher. And I think that had a part to play in it. So watch that video again. And again, in this video, guys, I don't want to, in this channel, I don't just talk about the positives. Bitcoin going to 100k, going to 1 million, and XRP going to 589, and all that crazy stuff. Again, when you're investing, you could lose everything. I'm not a financial advisor. I could lose all my money if Bitcoin goes to zero, which it can. Oil, if oil can dump to zero, anything can happen to Bitcoin. But I'm heavily invested in it, and it would hurt me. I'm taking profit. I sold quite a big bag as well as Bitcoin was going up around 19 to 20k, as you guys remember. I sold 30k, I sold 40k. I'm selling as it's going up, whereas newbies are trying to get in. We try to get out. I'll touch on, if you're coming into when you watch this video, you're coming into a bit late. The later you come in, the less the risk to reward is. But I think Bitcoin will go a lot higher. I'll share with you how I'd look to get in. And you might want to look to more about actually educating yourself and learning how to trade. If you're, just trading and buying and selling with emotions and buying when it's at 40k like everyone else, the probability of buying now, if Bitcoin goes to 100k and you buy it at 50k, you only double your money. If you buy Bitcoin at 10k and it goes to 100k, you 10x your money. So you can understand the risk reward of getting into something late. But some of the negatives, manipulation, the government bans, and the other risks that we might not even know about Bitcoin. Maybe Satoshi comes up and sells all his Bitcoin. We don't know some of the risks that can happen. But one of the main risks that I'm worried about in Bitcoin is quantum computing. And people are saying, and people a lot smarter than me on technology are saying that quantum computing could actually damage Bitcoin. And it might not, Bitcoin might not work. So again, I'm not saying it will happen, but in quantum computing, it's still a few years away. People are saying 5, 10, 20, 30 years away. That could be another risk to Bitcoin. So I don't want to just talk about the positive. In this group, in the channel, YouTube channel, I try to share with you my honest opinion. So let's actually go back into Bitcoin. I'll come back and share with you my percentage split. So let's talk about actually buying and selling Bitcoin. So if you are just jumping into now, I'll say repeat the same thing. Just buy a little bit Bitcoin. So if in these prices, if you watch this video, I talked about buying quite a bit of Bitcoin, and you can see where the price of Bitcoin was. But if you're looking to buy now, I would invest a little less, because the price, this, you could be buying the top. So if you have $1,000 to put in, invest $100. Put in less. If you have $10,000 or $100,000 in, put in if you've got $100,000 in, $10,000 in, put in $1,000. Put 10% of what you wanted to put in. Again, please don't sell your house and put all your money into Bitcoin. And I'm sure if you watch my channel, you're smarter than that. You won't fall for you won't do something like that. And speak to a financial advisor. If you've got more than $100,000 or $1 million, please hire a financial advisor. They're a massive help. Some of the suggestions they make, they'll be able to help you with. But that would be my way of getting into Bitcoin. And the next key zone I'll share, let's get into our proper charts now. And I'll talk about trading. Again, all my videos are about trading. I do 3 to 4 live stream in the group. I talk about which coins I'm buying, I'm selling. And I took a Bitcoin long recently when Bitcoin broke out above here. If you watch the live stream that I did a free live stream on YouTube. You'll see I share this setup. You can watch that video. This was our trade. And I'm looking to get back in again. Where I look to buy, where I look to stop. I've been trading Bitcoin in the group. I'll leave the links below. There's a special offer to check out our group. It's the last chance to get in on this offer. And we used to charge just $10 to get in, and I used to do it for free. But again, it's been an amazing journey as cryptocurrency has been going up. But we've been long in Bitcoin since just above 10k when Bitcoin broke out. I personally was looking to short Bitcoin, and it sounds crazy, but I was looking to short Bitcoin here. And once that failed and it broke out just above 11k, this is where I started buying and moving my stop up, and it's been one of the best times for trading. So where would I look to buy long time from Bitcoin? If Bitcoin dumps to 20k, guys, if Bitcoin dumps into this zone 22, 23k, I would look to buy a big bag, and this would be a risk that I take. This might not work, but previous bull markets, if you study the weekly moving average, we've had dips. We've had quite a big dips. Here we can see from 5,000 to, we had a dip to 3,000, about 40% dip. So if Bitcoin dips like this and comes to low 20ks, I will start scaling into Bitcoin. So, maybe buy another 1,000, or if you're trading with $1,000, buy another 200 at 20k, buy $500. So this is how I'd look to scale into Bitcoin. So that's my strategy for Bitcoin. Let's talk about some of the altcoins. I'll touch on altcoins again. I'll mainly say be invested in Bitcoin. If you don't invest everything, I know lots of people lost a lot of money in investing in XRP, and please do your research if you look into altcoins. Maybe I'll make another video. Let me know in the comment section how I analyze coins before I go to get into any coins. But I'm mainly a trader, so I would say 50 to 75% even should be in Bitcoin. And then Ethereum is a coin that I really like. I would look to buy Ethereum as well. I think Ethereum could be really bullish. And another little secret I'll share with you guys is once Bitcoin topped out in 2017 around December, Ethereum carried on higher. So if you see in December, Ethereum still rallied. Ethereum more than doubled in price even after Bitcoin topped out. And we can see in the Ethereum BTC chart, that Ethereum could be breaking out. So we at Rockstar Trading are looking to trade Ethereum. I mean, the bull market will only happen once or 2-3 months. I'm not saying it will, but you'll make more money in those 2-3 months than you'll ever make in your life. So make sure you take these opportunities and educate yourself. And if you're, and this could be an opportunity of a lifetime if Bitcoin and Ethereum does break out. So I've actually moved some more capital into Ethereum around here. Again, I've made a live stream around there and I posted in the group. And I'm looking to go long more Ethereum if Ethereum breaks out above Ethereum BTC chart. So that means Ethereum is going up against BTC, and Ethereum break into new highs. I would definitely looking to buy more Ethereum, but Ethereum would be the second coin I look to hold, 10-20%. This is a guideline to help, and altcoins, 5 to 10% I'd say is where you look to get in. And this is more from an investing and hodling point of view. You could also change in, you could say like 50% you'll invest, and you could have 50% off your capital in trading. So you could have I'll make a separate line, you could have some more money into trading. So again, if you have, I don't want to complicate this is more of an investing and style video, but I want to touch on trading as it's investing and trading side of the video. So if you look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, if you look to hodling, I wouldn't hodl less than 10% of altcoins. And I don't want to swear on my YouTube channel, but there are some scammy coins, but you can still make money on them. Sushi is a coin that I don't like. I made money on it. XRP is a coin that fundamentally it might be amazing in the future, but if you watch my videos, I wasn't invested in it, but I traded XRP. XRP was an amazing trade on a breakout above 30 cent. I made that video live. You can see that on the YouTube channel. So this is how I'd look to sell some of the new coins that I like. Again, I've not made a video on Polkadot. I will make a video on Polkadot soon. It's a new coin that I like. There's loads of other coins that we're investing in. You just watch the videos. VeChain was an amazing trade. Zilliqa, Theta is a coin that I really like. Chainlink, I've just made a video. There's lots of coins that I like. Make sure you watch my YouTube channels to see. And if you want to find out exactly which small cap coins that we like, check out our group. Again, I do 3 to 4 live streams. There's a massive group where we're trading all the time, posting and commenting. You can check it out. So, and then finally I want to come into trading. So again, if you're, let's say $1,000, you say $500 you'll just put into Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and next 500 you look to trade with. And if you're new, I would say if you have a $10,000, maybe $6,000, $800, $8,000, just put into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the altcoins, and with 20% you can start trading. One of the members in our group, he had everything invested in XRP. He joined my group, he sold half of XRP and started trading with it. That could be something that you could do. Again, these are just suggestions. I'm not a financial advisor. All I'm saying with you guys is my thoughts in trading. And now, guys, I've put the dollar and GBP in. You have to take profit, because at the moment, even though I love Bitcoin, at the moment you need dollar and pound where to spend on things, whether you got a house, you got a family, whatever you have. If you want to buy houses, I bought a rental property, which was a goal of mine. So you do need to sell, and I've sold Bitcoin, as it was going up. 30k, 40k were my keys on levels. 50k I'll sell some, and then I'd probably hold the rest. I've got less than 50% of what I had, buying dips. If you watch the videos, this YouTube video I made in the Rockstar Trading group, and I actually made a similar video on YouTube as well, guys. If you watch the YouTube channel, you'll see I made a video similar. If you type in Bitcoin trading investing strategy, slightly different to the group, but YouTube I share with you exactly what I'm looking to get in, and by in the group I share what I'm buying, stops and entries. So how to buy, where to buy, and you can ask me any questions in the live stream. So I'll end the video on that note. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Slightly longer video, but this video is probably, again, I'd say one of the most important videos I made compared to all the videos that I make. These videos get 2, 3k, 10k likes, views. Even this video will probably get not even 1k like, but I can definitely say this video is more important than the other videos that I make. And hopefully you guys learn something from it. I don't want you to just come in, put all your money into a scam coin and lose money. Invest in things that are important. And for me, Bitcoin is definitely the Bitcoin is king. I'll end the video on that note. I love Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin in the future will be amazing. What Bitcoin is doing with decentralization and what it allows us to do, and what just as a hedge. I don't think Bitcoin will be, again, I'll stop this video. I wanted to make it a 15-minute video, so I won't rant on why I like Bitcoin, but I think Bitcoin is more to gold than a spending currency, in my opinion. More of a store of value, especially the way dollar is being printed and institution getting in. Bitcoin prices can go a lot higher. So thank you very much. Hopefully guys, you guys enjoyed that video. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button if you are interested in taking your trading and investing to the next level. Check our group out. I'll leave the links below for you to check out. If you have any questions, again, comment below. I'm happy to help out. And again, I'll end the video by saying just buy $1 worth of Bitcoin. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.